We're having a nor'easter blizzard right now. The temperature is minus 22 below. And I don't know if you can see, but that's my yard. Zero visibility in the back. Can't even see the horses right now. It is blowing so hard outside. Let's see if I can see my horses there. Oh, there they are. Okay, you can see a little bit of them. Barely though. I don't know if you guys are catching this, but it is blowing like crazy outside. We're gonna have the biggest drifts. Oh my God. It is blowing so hard outside right now. So I'm worried about how much snow we're gonna have. Several feet today, probably. Calling for a couple more feet, maybe 3, 4. But look at that. It is blowing like crazy. This is just the start of it. Winds are supposed to gust to 120 kilometers today. Oh my goodness, that's bad. Go to the front of my house here. I'm going to film the front here. There's like whiteout conditions. Nobody's driving in this today. Oh my gosh, it's bad. So this is a nor'easter we're having. Look at the way the wind's just blowing. Look at that. You think the drifts are high now? This is going to be happening all night, all day, all night. This is just the start, folks. It's only like 9:15 here right now, so just want to film that. I just pray we don't lose power. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay.